Welcome back to another Onshape tech tip. I'm Chris, and today we're going to go over how to edit the definition of mate connectors. When you're designing in Onshape, one of the quickest ways to up your CAD skills is by using mate connectors for more than just mates. They can define sketch planes, drive feature directions, or act as end conditions for things like extrudes. But they're not always placed exactly where you want by default. In this tech tip, we'll take a look at how to redefine implicit mate connectors. In a part studio, whenever a mate connector can be selected for a feature, you can either use an existing one or create one on the fly using the mate connector icon in the feature dialog. After selecting your mate connector, you'll see a smaller icon appear in the selection box. Clicking this lets you edit the mate connector's definition. From here, you can realign it, move it, or flip and rotate the axes. You can also switch the definition from on entity to between entities, but more on that later. There are two main ways to edit the axes. First is realign. Check the box, then select a reference, like a line, edge, plane, or planar face. This aligns the z-axis of the mate connector to that geometry. The second option is flipping or rotating the axes. You can flip the primary axis to reverse the direction of the mate connector, or rotate the secondary axes, which rotates the connector 90 degrees about the z-axis. To adjust position and orientation, use the Move checkbox. This gives you controls for X, Y, and Z translation, along with a rotation about each axis. This is useful for dialing in exact offsets, like placing a hole a fixed distance off a face or shifting a split location. You can also change the definition type of the mate connector to between entities using the drop-down at the top of the dialog box. In this example, the mate connector is used as a plane for the set screw hole, defined halfway between the top of the boss and the face of the spur gear. Once you get comfortable editing mate connectors like this, you can avoid creating extra reference geometry and keep your part studio cleaner. For more tech tips like this, check out our other technical content, or to learn more, head to the Onshape Learning Center. Thanks for watching!